Cannabis and Human Fertility. A book written by Pharmacology University. Narrated by Sandra Loaiza. Introduction. Historically, human fertility has had a cultural relevance in all civilizations, since human beings can reproduce. This condition must be present in both sexes to obtain the desired result, which is to procreate. This is achieved when the egg fuses with sperm in one of the fallopian tubes, giving way to fertilization, taking into account that both sexes must have all the optimal anatomical aspects to achieve fertilization and pregnancy. In the human aspect, fertility differs a little according to gender. There are influential factors such as age. Specifically, in the female gender, it limits fertility as the years go by. From the age of 40, infertility in women reaches 50%, which ends with menopause, the disappearance of women's reproductive capacity. Men, on the other hand, have a higher fertility rate, which can be negatively affected by habits such as alcohol and tobacco, and nutritional habits hindering the ability to reproduce and the quality of oocytes and sperm. In the female gender, the quality of the egg is relevant because it is linked to the embryo's implantation in the uterus and the possibility of miscarriage. The fallopian tubes must be open. The presence of lesions in this anatomical area from endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, or sexually transmitted infections can prevent the eggs from reaching the uterus, making fertilization impossible. On the other hand, male fertility depends on spermatozoa production or adequate spermatogenesis, the quality of the sperm, the spermatozoa's capacity to go outside, and their motility. All systems in the body must be properly functioning for successful human reproduction to take place. One of these systems is the endocannabinoid system, ECS, directly involved in maintaining body homeostasis. Today, the ECS is considered a major system deeply involved in controlling several physiological processes, including fertility. Recent evidence suggests that the endogenous cannabinoid system, consisting of receptors and neurotransmission, where the best-known receptors are CB1 and CB2, and their multiple cannabinoid ligands may play a relevant role in the maintenance and regulation of early pregnancy and, as discussed, fertility. In this overview, we examine the impact that cannabis consumption may have on fertility and reproduction, considering that in this system's receptor ligands are molecules derived from cannabis, homologous to the human body's cannabinoids. Anandamide and fatty acid amide hydrolase, FAH, have been found in human ovaries, oviducts, endometrium, and myometrium. The endocannabinoid system acts.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?